Hello people off the internet. So we've decided just to take a break on the build and just camping it as is. So last night, quick trip to Halfords, get a silicone collapsible sink and a 12-pound single gas cooker thing, and that was it, and a healthy dose of toilet roll and plenty of shrink, and we're on a mountain in Northern Ireland in a place called Benevena, and that's the view we woke up to. No, a bit further down. Jesus, something just flew over me. So we're going to go for a walk around here, but it's a bit swampy, so we're going to go somewhere else. Say hello to my subscribers and friends.
Hi.
This is the other half. And I won't lower down the camera because she's in her PJs. Because we were just planning really just to sleep in the van, but I'm wanting her to get out and give the dogs. Come on this way. Wanted to give the dogs a run out. Oh God, it's soaking up here. And I'm in my trainers, not my hiking boots. Oh, fuck. So, in terms of the build, all I've done, if you follow me on Instagram, link in the description, I put in new gas struts basically, it's all I've done. On the lift up panel where we store all the bedding, because it's kitchen cabinet wood and it's heavy as shit. And I like to use both hands to fold it in properly. So there's a link to that in my Amazon store in the description below as well. So things really to do next are the cooker, the sink and the plumbing, the cooker gas connections, cabinets to be built above the bed, near over the back doors, probably put a blind in. And that's it really. Bit of carpeting on those. Oh, pardon me, sorry, breakfast. I made breakfast out the back, it was ace. A little video of that there, here now, look. But yeah, it's all been good. So, there she is in all her glory. Let me see if we can see. There she is. Yeah, you can see. So, well, this is what it's about, isn't it, guys, really? And girls. Getting that van. Getting out there, living, even if it is a shit weather day. It was lovely yesterday, but as I said, we are on a mountain. But we had intended, underneath the van you'll see some logs, we had intended to have a fire last night, but decided against it. This is our little rockery area, which we never even sat in because it started raining. And but I love it. Blood, sweat and feckin' tears. I've got a coolant leak and some oil drops as well, but they're getting fixed on Monday. Today's Sunday. Don't know when this video will get up. Here she is again.
Oh, baggy on.
So I think we'll just head home now and call it a day. Get the van reorganised, everything's stored and secured down, and get home. So longer video next time when I'm actually doing something. Till later. Love you all. Bye.